Good morning everyone. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you all to today's club meeting. A warm welcome to our respected staff and the dear students. Today's session is going to be exciting because we are going to talk about the cities, the heartbeats of the modern life. Cities are not just places on the map, they are centers of culture, dreams and opportunities. Every city has its own story to tell. As well explore the wonders of different cities. Today, let's open our minds to learn, share, and appreciate the beauty of urban life. Once again, I warmly welcome you all to today's club meeting. Wonderful session on cities. Let's begin our journey together. Thank you. Now I invite our first speaker, the Vishwas from that be English to come forward and deliver this speech.
Good morning, Mandal, who are gathered here. I am D. Vishwas from 3rd BA English. I am going to share a few points about our own Trichy district. Trichy is the famous district in a culture. It is located in the center of India, center of Tamil Nadu, India. It was the very good city in our Tamil Nadu, and it was the most famous city in Tamil Nadu. Trichy city has located many famous temples like which is Srirangam, Ranganatha Swami temple, Samayapuram temple, etc. It was one of most famous industrial city, and there are many famous tourist spots are located in our Trichy cities like Kallanai, Butterfly Park, etc. Kallanai Dam was built by Karigala Chola at the ancient days. It was very famous and still it was very strong and very curious to all Trichy city peoples. Trichy city peoples are very friendly and they are good-hearted mind. They Tamil is the language which was spoken in Trichy mostly. There are many small villages are located in our Trichy city. It is famous for agriculture like paddy, seeds, crops, etc. Trichy is also called as Tiruchirappalli. It was located at Rockford city. It was very famous in our Tiruchirappalli, and there are many educational institutions are available in our Trichy, and famous colleges and many more industrial like BHEL, etc. There are many people are very kind and love with all peoples in our Trichy. Our former president Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was also studied in our Trichy city in St. Joseph College, and he also visited our college once upon a time. It was a very proud moment. As Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam visited in our college, after there are many changes in our college students and teachers. Many river banks are located in our Trichy city, like Kaveri River. It was a big river in our. It was go through only in our Trichy, and wherever we need to go, we cross along. There are many famous hill stations and falls in our Trichy city. So in Tamil Nadu, our Trichy city was very famous and beautiful. Thank you.